Hello and welcome. This is a channel to help you learn English in a simple and natural way. In this video, you will listen to English slowly and clearly. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax, listen, and follow the ideas. English is learned with time, patience, and practice. Let's begin. In this video, we will learn about learning something new every day. Learning something new every day is a simple idea, but it can change the way we see life. Many people think learning only happens at school or in books, but learning is part of everyday life. We learn when we listen, when we observe, and when we try something different. Every day offers small opportunities to learn, even in simple moments. Learning does not need to be big or difficult. It can be very small and very simple. You can learn a new word, a new idea, or a new way to do something. These small pieces of learning slowly build knowledge. Over time, they create growth without pressure. This makes learning feel natural and calm. When we learn something new every day, the mind stays active. The brain likes new information. It helps keep thoughts flexible and curious. Learning daily helps prevent routine from becoming boring. It adds freshness to normal days. Even a small discovery can make the day more interesting. Daily learning also builds confidence. When you learn something, you feel capable. You see that you can understand new things. This feeling grows slowly with repetition. Over time, you start to trust your ability to learn. This confidence supports growth in many areas of life. Learning every day also changes how we see mistakes. Mistakes become part of the process. When learning is daily, mistakes are normal and expected. They are not failures. They are steps forward. This mindset reduces fear and helps you continue trying. Another important part of daily learning is consistency. Learning a little every day is easier than learning a lot once in a while. Small daily actions are easier to maintain. They do not require special time or energy. They fit naturally into daily life. This consistency makes learning sustainable. Learning something new every day also improves focus. When you choose to learn, you become more present. You pay attention to details. You listen more carefully. This focus helps the mind slow down. It creates a deeper connection with what you are doing. Daily learning also supports personal growth. When you learn, you grow as a person. You become more aware of the world and of yourself. Learning helps you see new perspectives. It helps you understand others better. This growth is quiet but meaningful. Learning does not need to be planned in detail. It can happen naturally. You can learn from conversations, from reading, or from listening. You can learn from experiences in daily situations. Being open to learning is more important than having a plan. Openness creates opportunity. For people learning a new language, daily learning is especially important. Language learning works best with regular contact. Hearing, reading, or speaking a little every day helps the brain adapt. Over time, words and sounds feel more familiar. This makes learning easier and more comfortable. Learning something new every day also builds patience. You understand that progress takes time. You stop rushing results. You start enjoying the process. This calm approach reduces stress and pressure. It helps you stay motivated without force. Daily learning also brings a sense of purpose. It gives meaning to small moments. You feel that each day adds something to your life. This feeling creates satisfaction. It reminds you that growth is happening, even when it is slow. In conclusion, learning something new every day is a gentle and powerful habit. It keeps the mind active and curious. It builds confidence, patience, and growth. Learning does not need to be fast or perfect. When learning becomes part of daily life, progress follows naturally. Small lessons, learned every day, lead to meaningful change.